Today we'll create a freehand fish without color using SketchUp freehand dolls, focusing on a relaxed, expensive style. First, grab the freehand dolls. We'll start with the body. Don't think too much, just loosely sketch an organic curve for the fish body. It doesn't have to be perfect. To add some texture or skills, use the freehand tool to sketch short curved lines along the body if you want to add some texture. It's not necessary to add any texture, but if you want to emphasize the look of your fish, then do. Then after that, you create a unique freehand fish drawing and SketchUp. Now, we'll create a fish using SketchUp but now with color. Same process to the freehand without color. First is grab the freehand tool. We'll start with the body. Don't think too much, just loosely sketch an organic curve for the fish body. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then now, let's add a tail using the freehand tool. Again, sketch a flowing slightly curved shape extending from one end of the body. Let your hand move naturally. Next, the head. Sketch a smaller rounded shape of the opposite end of the body, slightly overlapping. For the eye, draw a small circle on the head. You can add a smaller, darker circle inside for a pupil. To add more texture or skill, use the freehand tool to sketch short, curved lines along the body if you want to add some texture. Now, let's add a fin. With the freehand tool, sketch a whimsical fin shape on the top of the body. Don't worry about symmetry. We're going for a unique look. After adding a fin, you may put a color for your fish if you want to emphasize the look of your fish. By adding a color, just tap the color bucket on the top of the screen, then choose any color you wanted for your fish to look it more presentable. Then that's all. Welcome. Today we'll draw a cute cartoon fish in SketchUp, keeping it entirely 2D. Let's start with the body. Select the freehand tool, then click the line. Closely select an oval shape for the fish body. Don't worry about perfection, it's a cartoon. Now add a tail. Select the arc on the top of the screen to draw a slightly curved shape extending from one end of the oval. Now for the eye, draw a small circle on the head. You can add smaller, darker circle inside for detail to make it look more like a fish. Use a line tool to add some details. You can also add some lines to the body to suggest scales if you like. Now let's add a fin. Use the arc to draw a rectangular shape on the top of the body. Then for adding a color, you can click the bucket color on the top of the screen, then choose any color you wanted for your fish. Then almost done. You can adjust the lines and curves using the eraser tool and the freehand tool to refine your fish. Then it's done. Welcome. Today we'll create a 3D fish in SketchUp by using the rectangular tool or app to create the oval shape of fish body. This will create the basic 3D. Next, let's create the tail. Draw one end of the fish body. Use the push-pull to give it thickness and shape. Now, select the push-pull tool. Click and drag the oval upwards to give it thickness. For adding a color, you can apply materials from the materials palette to give your fish colored and texture. You can choose any color you wanted for your fish to make it look like presentable. Now, finally, our 3D fish is done.